Hey Angela, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO, and today I had the privilege of speaking with Monique, who thought you would be interested in this video I'm about to show you. So today I'm going to go over a few tips that you can use right away to get more organic leads and have your website on the first page of Google. So as you can see, we are on your website. And I just need to mention that 70% of your organic leads are going to stem from your website. So it is very important that your website is fully optimized. I've thoroughly gone through your website and there's a little bit of funky stuff going on. So I'll show you that in a minute. But the design itself is good. It looks like you have separate pages for every one of your services, which is exactly what you need. Um, Let's see, we have some content here, and I'm not seeing any keyword usage. Google does not rank a website based on appearance. They rank your website based on content. When it comes to ranking, content is key, and you need to have a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on your homepage. Or more. If your competitors have more content, you need more content. Um, the rule of thumb is 150 words for every local buyer intent keyword you're trying to rank for. So, what a buyer intent keyword is, it's when somebody does a search in Google and the terms that they're actually searching for. Those are your buyer intent keywords. So um, when they have an emergency, they're going to be less likely to be looking for a specific company, but they're going to be looking for the service that they need. And so those are the type of keywords you need to focus on. And that also goes to play for all of your other back pages, your service pages, and service area pages. Google has robots called crawlers that go and index every single one of your pages to pull your content and your keywords. So every page needs its own unique content focused on those buyer intent keywords, and every service area needs their own page with their own unique content. Um, I see that looks like there's an attempt to build the own pages, but what I've discovered is that each of these are their own website. Um, as you go and click through, most of these don't even have active websites. Um, Not sure what's going on here. I don't know if you have created 50 other businesses, but this is not actually helping you. It's not going to help you rank your website. You would what this video is about for this website, Water Damage Zone, you would literally have to do with every single one of these websites. They would need to be secure. You would need to have the content. You would need to build an SEO strategy for every single one of these websites. So this is not the right direction. I'm not sure why there's separate pages for every single one, and a lot of them have duplicate content. The websites aren't secure. They could be hacked. There's just so many issues happening with all of these other pages. So I would get rid of those and build the pages on this website with their own unique content and keywords. Um, One of your number one competitors in the Los Angeles area is Dry Masters. They don't have a fantastic website. They do have separate pages for each of their services. They service the same area, and they're missing the boat on that as well, as they don't have those service area pages. So you guys are missing out on thousands of potential traffic coming to your website every month. Um, this company does have more content, and they are using more keywords. So they are able to rank for those keywords, but these guys don't have nearly enough content either. So these guys should be super easy to outrank. One of the first steps is building out your content around those buyer intent keywords and making sure that your website has more content than your top competitors. This is a program called Ahrefs that helps us to analyze how your website is performing. As you can see, you have a 1.7 rating for your whole domain out of 100 in Google's trust flow, which means Google does not trust your website. That's 100% because of referring domains and backlinks. You have over 3,000 backlinks. That's a lot of backlinks to have a poor score. And that is because most of these backlinks are spammy. They are not related to your industry and they are no follows. And so they're actually not helping you and need to be disavowed. They're actually diluting your scores. Um, not all backlinks are created equal. You do need more backlinks than your top competitors, but they have to be better quality. Um, and in addition, all of your backlinks are being pushed to your home page, which are not helping to rank for your keywords or to be found for your services. Um, because of the lack of content and keyword strategy, you're only getting 23 keywords that are being found, and you're only seeing on average 12 people to your website per month. But if we look at your competitor, who also has a poor rating of a 0.7, they only have 487 backlinks. Um, and they're indexed for over 100 keywords, and so they're getting 128 people to their website every month. So it just goes to show you the importance of your backlinks, content, and keywords. In order to beat these guys, you do need more backlinks, but you also need better quality. Your keywords, the only keyword that you are ranking for on the first page is content manipulation. None of your other buyer intent keywords are on the first page. Most of them are 3 or more pages back. Looking at backlinks. So out of all your backlinks, only 231 of them are do follows that could actually help you. What a backlink is when one website links to your website and then drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. So the more relevant the website is to your website, the more power and authority it's going to give you to help you to rank. If they are do follows, they will also share that power of those high ranking sites with you and help you to rank faster. But you do need to make sure that you are linking these backlinks to your keywords. But if you were to just scroll down here real quick, you'll notice that all your backlinks are going to your homepage and they are all branded or have messages like this, which are not helping you to actually rank for any keywords to be found for your services. And this here is the Google Maps section or Google My Business. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 of this section for each of your service areas and your relative keywords, because 30% of people come directly here and won't go any further. So if you're not in the top 3, you're sending all those leads to your competition. Now, in order to be in the top 3, there are a variety of factors, but the most important are citations, which is the name of the business, address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of places like Yelp, Dex, Instagram, Facebook, etc. And you need a lot more of those than your top competitors. And when you follow each of these tips I've provided you today, your website can be number 1 across Google for all of your keywords and service area keywords. We hope you found this video educational and helpful, and would definitely love to hear your feedback. If you would like help with any of this, go ahead and give us a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to hearing from you soon.